Hi everyone, I'm Soham Mukherjee. So let me tell a bit about myself. I'm a software developer at Google. Before that, I worked with Coordination for 1 year. I've also interned with companies like DShaw India and CodeShift. I have been into ACM ICBC regionals 2 times, 2017 and 19, and I'm also a 6-star coder at CodeShift. Now, what will I be teaching you? I'll be teaching you web backend, React JS, system design, cloud services, and data structures and algorithms. Now, Unacademy has a lot of educators and there's a lot of content on their site. So if you want to subscribe to our Unacademy Plus to get access to those exclusive content, make sure you use my coupon code SOHAM10 and you will get a 10% instant discount. So before we start, let me tell you about something. I was contacted by a guy and he said that I do not have the proper degree. That's why the companies are not hiring me. Like the companies are telling that you do not have the proper degree. Are you facing a similar issue? Or let's say you are facing an issue like you are sending your resume out to hundreds of companies, but no one is responding you back. Or you are asking for referrals on LinkedIn because you do not have the proper network or the alumni and no one is responding you basically. So if these are the problems that you are facing, Relevel is the product for you. Now, what is Relevel? Relevel is India's first test hiring platform. It will help you find your first job. Now, with Relevel, it doesn't matter what is your background, like what degree you have or what connections you have. If you have the skills, you will get the job. What are the benefits of taking the Relevel tests? There are over 50 plus companies that are recruiting from Relevel, including top companies and startups like Trade, TopUp, Zoomcard, and those right. So there are very good companies that are available for you. There are over 1,000 plus job openings on the domains business development, front-end development, back-end development. The process is not at all cumbersome. Like you might think it will take a lot of time for the tests. No, it's not like that. The entire process of tests will be completed within 1 day, and within 7 days the results will be out and you will be having your profile ready. And with Relevel, the best part is the companies are approaching you. You do not have to approach to the company. So it doesn't matter what network you have. If you have the skills, the companies will know that you have the skills, so they will be approaching you. Now registration with Relevel is very easy. Just go to the site. You will find the link in the description below. Click on get hired. Select a test of your choice. Let's say you want to become a backend developer. So select backend development test and click on proceed. Then book a slot. Make sure you are free for the entire day because the test might take a lot of time on that day. And also make sure you register fast because others might take up the slot. And the slots are limited as well. So make sure you register fast. Once you are done selecting a date, click on select test date. Then you will be asked to create a neat video resume. This is very important. Make sure you create a very neat video resume with proper background, proper shirt, you are groomed properly, and there's proper lighting as well, because that is the first impact you will have on a company. So make sure the video resume is very neat and proper. Once you are done with that, click on confirm your slots and your slot is confirmed for you. Register with Relevel today. The link, you can find the link in the description below, so go check it out. Now before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, there is a lot of content coming on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified. Whenever I'm coming live, you'll be notified about the same. Also make sure you press the like button if you are liking this video. Now if you want to know that when I'll be coming live, if I'll be coming live on a certain day or not, make sure you join the Telegram channel as well, because there it will be posted who is coming live when. So you will be notified beforehand only that okay, I'll be coming live on this day. So you can find the link in the description below, so you can join the Telegram link from Telegram group from there. Now let's come to the agenda for today. What is the problem that we have today? So in my college days, I also wanted to learn development, but let's say I decided that I'll be learning Django. So I searched for resources on Django. I found very good resources, but the problem is I didn't know Python. So I again had to learn Python, and again when I came back to Django, I saw that I had to learn about databases as well. So then I learned databases, I went to Django, but then there are additional complexities that came up, like cloud services, deployments, GitHub. There are so many technologies out there today. So the problem is that although there are very good resources available outside, I'm not saying that the resources are bad, because I have also learned from them, but they're scattered. It is not a single, there's no single point where you will find all the resources available for you. So to tackle this, I'm bringing you this backend development series, where we'll be learning from A to Z about backend development. It is not that we'll be just learning a framework or a language. We'll be learning everything. So we have chosen Django for this course. So it is not like we'll be only learning Django, but before Django, we'll also learn about Python. We'll be learning about databases. We'll be learning about GitHub. Then we'll come into Django. After that, we'll not stop there. We'll be learning about the cloud services that are available today, because those are very important. Then we'll be learning about deployments, about various other technologies that are available. Okay, I'm talking enough, right? What is the course that I've planned for you? Presenting to you the course for backend development series. This is the course that I've planned for you. Initially, we'll start with the we'll be starting with the introduction. After that, we'll go and learn a bit about Git and GitHub, and then we'll move into a Python crash course. After that, I'll give you a database crash course, where I'll be teaching you not only about relational database like MySQL, but also about NoSQL and graph databases like Neo4j. After that, we'll move into Django. We'll learn about Django, how to create RESTful APIs using Django. What is REST? That also we'll learn. After that, we'll be learning about the authentication and permission layers, because these are very important today. Like, you cannot have APIs that are where there is no authentication or permission layers. After that, we will be creating a mini project. Now, there is a front-end course that is running parallelly, right? So there in the front-end course, you will be creating the front-end for the mini project, and here we'll be creating the back-end or the APIs for the mini project. Once that is done, we will not stop. We'll go into cloud services. We'll learn how to build architectures, or what are the various AWS services that are available. After that, we will be planning about the major project. Now, here, it is not that we'll just create the APIs for the major project, but we'll be planning the entire thing. We'll be planning the architecture, we'll be planning the database schema, we'll be planning all the APIs that will be needed, and we'll be building those APIs as well. We'll be building all the services, and we'll be building them live. It is not like I'll be building something beforehand. Everything will be done live in front of you. After that, once the APIs are ready, we'll be also learning how to optimize those APIs. We'll be learning about various concepts like multi-processing, multi-threading, asynchronous processing, Celery, Redis, what are those and how to leverage them. Once these things are done, deployments become an important part. The APIs that you create, it should not be limited to you. You should make it available for others to use it as well, right? So for that, you have to deploy it. So we'll be learning about Docker, how to create Docker images, Docker Compose, and those things. We'll be also learning about Kubernetes and how to deploy using Kubernetes. After that, deployments is a cumbersome process sometimes. Like, let's say you are making a change in your API. Would you redeploy? Would you go through the entire process again? No, right? So that's why you have to automate the deployment process. So that's why I'll be also teaching you how to automate that using CI/CD. Eventually, we'll move into testing, like writing test cases, because those are also important part of your project. Because let's say someone else is working on your project as well, they might change something and your entire API might go down, entire services might go down, right? So for that, testing is also important. So we'll learn how to write unit tests, functional tests, and those things. Okay, is this it? Like, is this the entire thing that I'll teach? Let's say this is over in 3 months. What after that? No, it is not over. We are just getting started, right? So after that, I'll be teaching you a lot more things. We'll be learning about GraphQL. We'll be building projects on GraphQL. We'll be learning about DynamoDB, other databases like Neo4j, MongoDB, how to use them in projects. We'll be building some projects around them as well. After that, we'll move into system design patterns, and also we'll be learning in depth about the various AWS services that are available. How powerful are they? How can you build large-scale systems? How today's companies are building large-scale systems around AWS services. So we'll be learning everything, right? We'll be learning everything. It's not the end, it's just the beginning. Also, we'll be learning about various other frameworks as well, like Node.js, Spring Boot. I know, like, you guys are a bit sad because we have chosen Django. We had some purpose for choosing Django in this course, but yes, we'll be learning about Spring Boot, we'll be learning about Node.js, everything in the future. I promise you that. So this is not the end, this is just the beginning. All right, that's from my side. If you have some questions, make sure you leave in the comment. I'll try answering the comments, and if I think that I should personally address this in a video, I'll be taking that up in the classes, in the subsequent classes that I'll be taking. I'll be answering your questions. I'll make sure all your questions are answered. All right, so if you have some questions, make sure you drop them in the comments. And if you have liked this video, please do like it and subscribe to the channel, because I'll be coming live here on this channel. It is free of cost, like no charges will be incurred on you. It is completely freely available to you. Just come in, give me 2 hours, and I'm pretty sure by the end of this course, you will feel more confident with your projects or whatever projects, future projects you have planned, or like let's say you want to do some freelancing, you will feel more confident because you would have done some project live with me, right? So you will be having that confidence with you. All I am asking from you is just 2 hours of your time every day, and that's all, right? So that's from my side, and thanks a lot for watching. If you want to join the Telegram channel, you will find the link in description. For Relevel, yes, again the link is in the description. It might help you as well after the backend course. You might want to get some job. And yes, other than that, yes, we'll see you in the classes. Bye everyone.